Glowworm Grotto, New Zealand's magical cave. Deep beneath the rolling hills of New Zealand's North Island lies a hidden cave that glimmers like a living sky filled with stars. Inside the Waitomo Glowworm Grotto, thousands of tiny glowworms light up the cave ceiling, forming a living galaxy of soft blue-green lights. Floating silently through the darkness on a boat, you'll see their glow mirrored in the still water below, making you feel surrounded by stars both above and beneath you. These glowworms, found only in New Zealand, use their gentle light to lure prey. But for visitors, they create one of nature's most magical sights. The atmosphere is cool and moist, and the silence is broken only by the soft drip of water on ancient limestone walls. In this quiet cave, nature's tiniest creatures come together to paint a masterpiece of living light. Curious about the most amazing places in the world? Check out my latest YouTube video, Top 10 Wonderful Places on Earth You Won't Believe Exist.